Ng'abana babere bamwabo bakatibongwa bakamagokwa igasuneka narengerete egento ekio kurugesa keba yaina nabo ngase no kerengeri nkwebure naki ngakia mang'ana ago chaka gokorekana boni gagusi chinga kibunechi yakara yabere binyoro sana totara iguno musubati ko Kongo hutibongwa na ebinyoro gagweta twabere tukotegera abali chinji yo squeeze Nanyinga na abana bakebi ngweru mono yo macho sale myako nsaba gusenane oyo ndo mukake ngana bugu chugokora mang'ana amabibu nayo kwamanye kumuka kwabangenda bakwa basi dubo kabisa okuligi mwana ibere pira irenze yanyi helpless nalo gusabaiga ninje ndiye bangwana bugu chukona mane chinyomo iga lakini mono tukwanira ne n'abasacha tugambe bono n'abasacha talibuya kwikira chinsemba buni chonga bono ngwikirore ko make a decision inga no mwana okubwata okali ndo bunabire tamandi kwikira boyo teboneti kwikira boyo ebeke byo no musacha tiyo musubati seto mwago nyoma channel ye botami nkwana na mana siasa lakini rero gwikankwanira mang'ana ayo obunyama bunubu ebintebi bitabende okalekana gusiyeto obunyama bunubu yani nga abana abu after kwa bakole ibintu byonse turuki nga ina isaine mpaka baite bakwe aba women rep baito bagusi kero William Ruto abangete gocha gusi ngocha muramu mwakwana n'abasubati natutagete Ruto women rep cheito chagusi kero William Ruto abangete mukumbangira kabisa muchengete kabisa mubangirete bali na Matiang'i kero Matiang'i ate tugocha gusi no muri mugukwanira kabisa muna musigete mwajite Matiang'i muko tawari kabisa muna mwajite lakini kera mang'ana buna yakolekana mukirete kere mwana bise kibune biko kolekana mwana buna ayo ko babera imukirete abana basiri obugima bagenda pi nakene ngyo yakolekanite ingomuntu okurwanira abana abuno musacha kilifo mbeta ache abiki kina court ngana no chikugambi ondo bwenzo suspected kokole bintu nebe bakusiba minto obo women rep no bwaki tinga kibune chiboni kabasubati babere enlightened chiri school babote chigas basome mete kibakora ninki mutako sokera ki wholesale mu karansense mu castigate ringanire ngirete ikandole gatembe kusendole asebuna KCTV kusendole ndizi TV kusendole etaya TV umuntu ga abasubati baje tamu bakukikeria mang'anaye inkintakora rebindu nebesa TV mugo kirasi funega ndukiabete no mo ngati abatugutu ayoere Timothy Samatanga yo abere patana ko kanu bata habari na bako inform agrentaro ne family ni ba pole mbere ne skali yok mbobe sana tukukira mang'ana akolekana gusitora nganomo obibe chombe bwasirire bwachirense sana mpaka tukure wake akibakuru chombe ibago byakabiri chiro bita abantu ngo muntu nakenye twasigete ibindi byachirense ubuyibi chinyomba ko bunu squeeze unless ikiri Christmas maybe bamaye ko nya mbwagendanse squeeze kuzinera bit safe ebibona nga ibyaruwe tebi asabana bakora ibintu nibi ayo musacho oli nomo kubwato umwana ubande kabisa omokegake paka bale abasacha babere kakara omuntu yo nakiyago diri ni mwana ibira at the same time paka bara basacha babere anu abasacha bamwikaranste kose baitanite babere mukubwate mwana bune bibikegake nebane nyasore mukunywete nebane ne amarumu gatindete nebane chingoro chimbe mubwate kaki paka mwari ko baita bako ngwako batigalende kaki na bamenya nabaru nyigitari kubwako koro bugima umwana imwana ebike umete naro china benga no mwana umintomo umwana nakamwisike kakwitera mangana buna yamabe aba chi women rep chagusi abangina bali ikiroge kyo women rep kira rusi wombe bamurara ninki mukurwanirira as a parliament onyeteri abasubati n'abana abaiseke na twarochirire tukurwanirira nga finance bill 2024 tebase gweta no muri kabisa mugwaka chikura egera finance bill 2024 yete chidiapers ibintu bira abasubati bagutumia muri bo mutinyi bitumeke bimentali igori egera batumia amato usine chiguni mwatete batumie bona ende paka egera abana bagwitunjire nga bune mwakira mwiranga ijizi nomo abana buna abokole bintu bune abagusiba mente bintu bune bigwe kabisira abangina bari muri chinga amba nabana baino batebi ni musubati babolite barikiri basiganira umusubati asigete batebi onye ninki bagane bakonye njerende lakini tali muntu ikere akole bintu bune biri n'abasubati naronyo aba akole bintu bune n'abangwana banyomete abasubati nenu gamba nabagaka baino konya na chinjira muranyale mu base kwala bagaka baino wasokisika akole bintu nebiri bitaicho kusikira kindi kuruchu mugako kuna bwate enkoro kitembe hakimo tebi na akole byonse pi hakitazo kuna maraika nyasaye mukani umutina abere ngolenge likineki sana ngaranze ngorengera kinyi pia bana bakalimiri kunse pi igole bintu bitaicho umwana olucha konye familia imwane bikebuna biri hakibono nkiya bangwana abarengerati bagusiba mtu tyatwanjane tyatusikane tyatusirane tikatorokana ichinjira chinke kendo nebyo kolekana gusiga bisanire ibindi bisanire ungalinde twasambira abangina ngabanga abaroki kiraba muroki ngikya gusumbua iyo mugina no muroki so what akutumire gisiye bone ikiningi mwabasamba kabisa mukubata mugino bane mokumwigereria kushi mwabata kabisa mukupeka chingo ngaita no chobe chingurwa no mugino wita nakingo tebanga usiyete society nebende ku change to embrace fact na ki ndo bata baswati abangaini para akole binte binge kubana na basacha ento mai tenga basacha ndo bata entitlement gete lakini tukadukira asa to kugena na ki abangina mbaisa ine ko kole bintu gete mbaisa ine eno kimonyorero opportunity konya na basacha abangina muri na position yo konya basacha kubana na bangina kubana na basacha banyina kwa konya basacha lakini ndo bazo kwikera asibintu nebyo koleka lebinyoro bikoba mbobe sana hanyu kubata information yo family yu ngakire simike ga 0740506234 namba eno eren sana bakungakire sim anytime.
Welcome to Humphreys Hill House. Humphreys is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our rooms has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen. as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.